up, guys? It's Friday. So we're out for a rip in the 7M Turbo.
That sounds good.
Sounds badass. So actually, I used the propane last night for a barbecue, and I forgot it this morning. So Chad said, "Well, let's go for a rip." So we actually don't know if we're gonna make it. So
Yeah, we're kind of low.
Chad's like, "Oh, I know my truck. She's a little empty, but we'll be good." Looks at it. Oh, I didn't think it was that empty. He says. This guy trying to make us stop.
I don't know, man. There's no guy on this side that tells us stop.
He's on the wrong side of the road. Right. That's too good. Dude was very loud.
He fucking loved it, dude.
Yeah. Fuck, they must have a power outage or something.
That was fucking. Oh yeah, we're out of gas.
Oh yeah. Man,
We're not making it.
we're off to a good start for your Friday.
Oh my god, we're not making it.
So yeah, if we don't make it, we'll see you in a second. If we do make it, we'll see you at the shop.
Doesn't like cornering that much.
Yeah.
She leans. We're still lifted.
Still a foot and a half off the ground.
It's a little shaky though. Man.
What year is this old girl?
88.
88.
400,000 K on her. Man. Secondary tactics, this one only works sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, but she wants to.
It's gonna get me in trouble for sure.
That's alright.
That's what I always say.
If you guys want to see more on the channel of this thing, we'll do like a full review too.
Yeah, we should do like a full slammage of it, dude.
Yeah, because we are lowering it. So.
Yeah. And then we'll sell the lift kit.
Yeah, so the lift kit we were selling, it's all-wheel drive too. So what bell housing was it again?
This one's the so it's, you got to use the non-turbo 7M or 1J bell housing though, W58.
Yeah.
And then it hooks up.
And it hooks up to
this setup.
Nice.
This is literally just the diesel drivetrain. Well, the diesel transmission, the diesel transfer case, okay? But then Tundra diffs.
Yeah.
01 Tundra diff and 01 Tundra diff in the front.
Big.
And with 411 gears, 410 gears.
Yeah.
She's working. That's why it revs so freaking high. Well, watch. We don't get any RPM. So like 4th to 5th. That's 4th. That's 5th.
Yeah.
Like nothing. And then it's just geared, right?
6 pounds on a boost gauge.
6 pounds, not even like 5. Sometimes it goes to 6. So, it'll be nice when it's at like 15.
Yeah. Turn her up. What's up, guys? Skills.
Huh?
Skills.
Skills.
Get that all ported after, sand it flat, pour it all, and then Mike will weld his top on. Cap this end, weld the flange onto this. It's coming. That's coming. It's more boarding. Someone's coming. It's not me. Got him. Alright guys, so we already just did one or two quick little passes, you guys can see. But here, we'll set this up.
There you go. So yeah, set it up right there and tilt it up. Nice good angle. You won't be able to be in front of it though. Set it up a bit more. That way you can still get in front of it and you're not gonna block it, right? That'll be good there. Yep.
Just want to go back and forth, just work your way.
Light pressure at a time, a little more, a little more. Backwards thread, by the way, for tightening. Oh yeah, you gotta constantly adjust your ups and downs. As the quarter moves, you gotta move up and out. Feels good. Oh yeah, she's going. She's going. She's doing it now. Good little workout. Oh, might take his bolt off there. That's not too bad.
It's loose in here. Must just be super smashed with it.
Yeah.
Get back all the way and then we'll readjust.
Yep. Yep. Little adjustment.
Will the bolt come back off it?
Yeah, that's what it was.
Alright, we're gonna put the bolt back on and it's a brand new part. That's pretty good. Hey Michael, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Sick. Dang, that's gonna look good. Bad. Bad to the bone.
What I gotta do here at the dust, I'm just gonna curl those in.
Yep.
Then it'll kind of meet the inside, and I'll just chop these little corners off.
Yeah, you take off the plate after. Take off from the plate after.
So it'll kind of meet the inside of that tube.
Sick. That's badass though. Alright guys, Mike's gonna start banging out the top. Let these bend. Ears.
Now we got the juice.
Right?
There we go.
Now we got the juice. So we hooked up the 220 here. Unplug that. Because before we had the 110.
It was only running 110 before, so we hooked up the 220 plug. And
yeah. So now we can turn her up.
you can turn it for power.
Yeah. We had a max
It's good for
there
tax
before.
and small stuff, right? Like that's,
Yeah. Good for what we were doing. Yeah. Those attacks are even like way nice. Cool. Perfect bend. Mike, look at that, bud.
Mm-hmm. Just getting into her.
That thing sounds like a
Dude,
lightning
look at
storm
that.
going off.
Look at that.
Oh my god, it's like the horse like boom, boom. That's nuts.
High
Look
frequency.
at that. This boy needs to get paid, man. He said, let's micro fam, check it out. Don't do them super huge.
No,
He did
you're
like
gonna be
70
this
did
big.
4 holes.
Yeah, 4 holes.
Alright guys,
He
check
did
this out.
4 huge ones.
No, they're gonna be like,
Sorry.
Yeah.
I cut this all out for the cooler.
like the size of
Here,
silver dollars.
Grab the cooler, yeah. So we had it left down here. I cut that out. Left this. But the cooler's gonna sit a lot better if I cut it on an angle like this.
Maybe even like.
So we'll clean up the edges and stuff, but
No, I'd do 4 inch.
shoot.
100%.
Just
So,
lift
where
your
this-
head for a sec. Yeah.
Right.
That looks badass.
And
So
then with
yeah,
this here.
so with that you'll see the cooler. Yeah, we'll take that out and then the piping comes out.
And then that's gonna go, pipes are gonna go over, around, and up through the holes.
Dang, that's gonna look good.
I like that. That's sick.
And then yeah, Mike's got some beads laid on here. You gonna pull this off after?
Oh yeah, it's coming.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's gonna
bang
be
that
coming
up.
off for the rest of
Yeah.
the welds.
So make sure you guys check back in for that stuff too. Robert's got his stuff on the go.
Yeah, right here. Look.
Yeah, he's got the rum on the go. It's Friday. It's after hours, so
Not really, but
well, we got what is it?
Friday.
Almost 5.
it's Friday.
5 o'clock somewhere.
Somewhere.
Right?
Oh
But yeah. So we're gonna make a quick flange for that.
real quick.
Yeah. Real quick. Mike, real quick.
Yeah.
Something real quick.
Yeah.
Maybe cut up the other intake real quick or something.
Yeah, for the flange itself, or we'll just make
We
one.
might even give it a fucking loop back here, right? You never know.
Yeah, send her back.
Send her back up over.
Poking her on the back.
All right, guys. So yeah, make
that's
sure
the
to
girl.
check back in, and we'll see.
Happy
You.
Easter.
Yeah, yeah. We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys Monday.
Happy Easter.
Yeah,